I read every single comment from my last cooking video, and the thing that you guys want to make most is lasagna. So I went out and I got every single ingredient to make lasagna. All right, let's get started. We're gonna get the chopping board. Where is the chopping board? Oh, I think it's under here. So there's also two more things you guys said. In the description, put the ingredients and how you made it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a full description of how I did that today. And number two, cook things that are somewhat simple that we can all cook. And I understand that. When things get too complicated, it's kind of like, oh, I don't even want to try that. So lasagna seems pretty simple. I YouTubed how to do it. It seems very simple. And so this will be a good one for you guys to try at home if you would like to make some lasagna. First, we're gonna cut up an onion. Woo! And then we are going to cut up 2 cloves of garlic. We are going to chop up some fresh basil, about that much. And now we are going to cook some ground beef. Almost cooked. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this basil off here, and we're gonna put the garlic and the onion with the beef. Okay, so now we are gonna add the basil. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of oregano. There's the oregano. It also says to add brown sugar. I do not have brown sugar, totally forgot, so I'm gonna go without it. And a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add 1 can of tomato paste. And some diced tomatoes. That looks about right. So now I'm supposed to make a ricotta filling, but I couldn't find ricotta, I think I'm saying it right, at the Walmart. I don't know if they even sell it. So I just Googled it really quick, and they say that you can use just simple cream cheese. So I'm going to make the cream cheese filling, I guess. We're gonna put 2 eggs in this bowl, stir it up. 2. Then I'm going to add 2.5 cups of this cream cheese to my eggs. And 1/2 cup of parmesan. I'm missing another ingredient, and that is parsley. So I'm just gonna have to do without. So now it's time to put the lasagna, make the lasagna layers. We're gonna grab some of this beef mixture, and we are gonna line the bottom so that the noodles don't stick to the bottom. Now I'm gonna place the noodles and then put some of this cream cheese mixture on top. Then we're gonna sprinkle some mozzarella cheese over the top. It says 1/2 pound. I'm just eyeballing it. Then we're gonna put another layer of this sauce on with the beef. Then another layer of noodles. So I don't have any more of this left, this ricotta cream cheese stuff. You're supposed to put another layer on, and then another layer of the sauce here, which I don't have any more of either, and I'm not gonna make any more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna make this like 1 layer. I just have a little bit more of this, so I'm gonna put that on the top, then put mozzarella cheese, then bake it, and it's gonna taste like lasagna, just not as many layers as it should be. The reason that I'm so off right now is because I didn't measure I didn't measure anything. So if you're gonna do it at home, make sure you measure everything. I'll put all the measurements below and do it the right way. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on top here. Okay, now my half lasagna. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I'm gonna put in the oven. I'm going to tin foil the top. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for an hour, apparently, and then take the tin foil off and cook it for another 20 minutes. And it should be golden brown on top, and it should taste delicious. Although I missed a couple layers, it's still gonna taste like lasagna. 1 hour starts now. 5:34, 6:34. Write that on my little whiteboard. See this little whiteboard? 6:34. It's my to-do list, and I write like motivational quotes on it. Right now, it says you are lucky to be alive. Simply, you're lucky to be alive. Stop complaining. Get out. Live your life. So I just want to show you guys while that's in the oven. I want to show you guys where I am right now. It's just a little park. Nice little park. Really close to work. So I'm just going to hang out in this area until later tonight when it gets dark, then go find a spot to sleep, and then I work tomorrow. Right over here, that is a community garden. Isn't this neat? So people have like their own little plot, and they can grow whatever they want to. Look at this one. This is nice. Look at this little fence and this little gate around it. That's so miniature. Oh no, how was it? You guys almost fell off the bed. So this park right here is 180 acres of parkland right downtown Victoria. It's absolutely gorgeous. There is a petting zoo right there. There's peacocks that roam free here. There's rose gardens over in this area, man-made ponds. It's phenomenal. And they're all very tame. It just ran right there. Oh. Isn't this so neat? Just in the park, hanging out with peacocks and squirrels and dogs, and I'm cooking lasagna right there. 20 minutes is up, let's check it out. Would you look at that? Still sizzling. I mean, how do you actually go wrong with that? You've got pasta, you've got cheese, you've got beef, you've got Parmesan. I forgot what Parmesan was called. Although I missed some ingredients, although I didn't stack it as high as I should, this tastes like lasagna. This tastes like a family dinner lasagna on a Sunday. Loving it. Tastes amazing. What I'm gonna do is, instead of listing all the ingredients and whatnot, I am going to link to the YouTube channel that I watch to learn how to make this. So it'll be the link in the description, will be the link. Click on that if you want a professional to teach you how to make this with all of the right measurements. Yeah, just click on the link in the description below. It's always a pleasure hanging out with you. Hope that you're having a wonderful day. Keep living that dream. Keep being true to who you are and doing what you want with your life. Many more videos on the way. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.